Over the past few days, our expert-led workshops provided valuable insights, giving attendees the tools and knowledge to thrive in the real world. With the workshop successfully completed, after careful evaluation, we are excited to welcome a new wave of talent into our organization, each bringing unique strengths and perspectives that align with our vision for the future.
कल हमारी IREED Academy से वर्कशॉप थी जो हम लोग को रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बताई, सेक्टर के बारे में बताई, उसमें क्या क्या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो सब बताइए। और आज हमारी इंटरव्यू हुई और हमें बहुत सारी नॉलेज मार्केटिंग और रियल एस्टेट में हमारी क्या क्या करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है ये सारे सर ने बताया।
My name is Sonali Kumari. I'm doing MBA from IMS Ranchi University. Today is my interview from IREED Academy, and interview was very good.
Our workshop and recruitment drive have been a resounding success, and we couldn't be prouder of the talent we've brought on board. At IREED Academy, we're not just building careers, we're shaping the future.